Hi, I'm now at Vivo Residence at Old Klang Road. This unit is 1076 square feet. This is the kitchen section. It comes with a kitchen tabletop island bar and a beautiful kitchen cabinet with a hob and hood and fridge. This unit is a new unit, unoccupied. It was completed in 2019. However, the owner has just decided to sell now. This is the laundry area, the red kitchen area as well. And you got a spacious kitchen. 1076 square feet, 3 rooms, 2 bathrooms. This unit is on the high floor, comes with a very beautiful view overlooking Bangsar, and just check out the view. And it's also just 2 kilometers away to Mid Valley. That is Mid Valley, and it's just 2 kilometers away. And the exit currently is just down here, alright, connecting to Brickfields and Sunway. So this is the living hall, very spacious, good condition. There's no leaking, very well maintained unit as well. Comes with 2 parking on level 4. So there's 3 rooms. You can start with the room 3. This is the room where you can still, put a single bed here and a wardrobe. Every room comes with an aircon, inverter, and this is the second room. This is a bigger room as well. Comes with the aircon, well maintained. Now we are moving on to the common bathroom. To the master bedroom. Here you can put your wardrobe here. This is the master bathroom. Full height tiles. Nice toilet sink, tabletop. It's the master bedroom. So this unit has a very beautiful view. It's good for investment. The ROI is about 7%. You can get about 3,500 ringgit rental here. And very spacious living hall. You can put a dining area over here. And you can put your TV and sofa over here. Vivo Residence at Old Klang Road, just 2 kilometers to Mid Valley. Excellent location, high floor, beautiful view. If you're interested to view, give me a call. Thank you.